Hello everyone. This small bathroom makeover blends budget-friendly DIYs and high-end finishes. By following this tutorial, you can renovate your old drowsy bathroom into a vibrant one. So let's start. Roof upgradation. Dummy roof in brown in the bathroom doesn't go well with the bathroom theme. So thought of painting it to white and also add LED light to the ceiling. First measure the area where you want to make the hole to fix a LED light. And remove the plastic roof. Measure the center and the exact location. Then drill hole as per the size of LED light. Now coat the roof with all surface primer and color the roof as per your required color. Let it dry. Once it dries, fix the roof to its original position, then wire the LEDs. A small change, and it was worth it. Now I have a well-lit room. Paint the fittings. Clean the workspace before start. I am planning for a black themed bathroom with a complementary bathroom accessories, so I thought of painting the tub. I have used Rust-Oleum primer metal spray. The end result is amazing for the bathroom fitting if you want to paint them. Apply primer. Ensure you cover all the other surface, then let it dry for an hour. Then apply the desired color of your choice. Now comes the threading part, epoxy over sink countertop. As said earlier, there is very less natural light in the bathroom and the black countertop made this room too sober. So plan to change the color to white using epoxy and add marble effect to create a natural stone pattern. Let's get into the details in the making. Since the countertop is black, apply any white paint to make the surface white to match epoxy. Preparing the epoxy. Add epoxy and hardener as per the manufacturer instruction, which is 3:1 for the epoxy which I used.
I bought a house in Cabo to shake off my cargo. It went a little bit far though.
Mix it well until it is crystal clear. Add white pigment and mix it well. Leave it for 20 minutes. Let the bubble comes to the surface. Meantime, ensure all other surface you don't want the epoxy are covered. Now start pouring on the countertop and apply evenly.
with a brand new motto. Yeah, I called up Carlos. Said I won't be calling. Instead of my old tempo. It wouldn't make much sense, so yeah. Ask me how it feels. I say it feels surreal. When you pick up speed. Close the pitch black wheel. When you got your thoughts. Are they in there deep? What about your heart? Does it beat too hard? Mine does.
Wait for 30 minutes and pop the rest of the bubble using the torch. Let it dry for 48 hours. Sit and do nothing. Use marble spray to create texture as you like. Pro tip which I would suggest, get to know about this spray, use it in a non-working area and get it familiar.
No puedes decir sí, ¿quién puede decidir? Sin rodeos dice simplemente soy así.
It's quick dry spray. Let it cure for 2 hours.
Notificas, el silencio sigue ahí. No
Now it's time to pour the clear coat. Easy step. Add epoxy and hardener as per the manufacturer instruction. Mix it well until it is crystal clear.
Si nos dices no conoceremos que es que no. Si no nos lo notificas.
We have made 2 more videos on epoxy. Please do check the link.
Conoce, dinos ya que sí, que no, que frenesí.
Let it cure for 48 hours. Ta-da! A brand new sparkling marble effect countertop is ready. It looks nice, right? Shower partition. Visit a nearest hardware glass work, tell your requirements and get it done. Since I'm just beginner in DIY, I don't want to take a chance in installation, so have paid for the installation too. I have carefully watched how they transport and install the glass. Next time I can try myself. That's how you learn. I have added black lines in the partitioned glass which enhance the overall look. Install cabinet. I have measured the overall size of the door, a runner and made a rough sketch. Then I bought all the materials used in making the bathroom cabinet. I used wood plastic composite board which is 100% waterproof. Gave this to an interior woodworking factory. They have cut the board to a desired size, pasted the laminates, edge bonding. You will not believe it costed me very less. Now I started assembling each piece under the sink. It's very simple and it was so satisfactory when you designed, measured and fixed it. I am happy.
I suppose you couldn't care anymore. I wasn't really there anymore. Laid out with that nice shit. Had to jump up in it.
Update lighting. Design, measure the size of the lamp on mirror size basis. With that depends the number of lamp holder you require. For me, 3 was sufficient. I used 40 into 10 cm wood piece with thickness of 3 cm. Used 320 grit emery to polish the surface and apply wood stain as per your choice. I used walnut color. Measure the center in equal pitch for placing a lamp holder, then drill hole as per the requirement. I added 2 extra drills to hold the screw on the wall. Remove the extra projections after drilling. Place a lamp holder on each hole. Connect all the wire and fix them to the wall.
Nothing feels the same. Things were made to fly. They don't keep me high. They don't even move. Damage from the rain. Emptiness inside.
Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him, couple blacks, ayy, that's a fact, ayy, throw it back, ayy, ayy, and this one is for the champion. I ain't lost since I began, yo. Funny how you said it was the end, yo. You know we did it again, yo. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low.
Add the finishing touches to your newly remodeled bathroom. Add floating shelf. Refer our DIY on Utility Makeover for more detail. Add mirror, decorative storage container, pictures on the wall to personalize the room. For sure, plants, which elevates the overall appearance. What a difference! This bathroom went from a dark and dull to light and bright. Leave a comment below and tell me your favorite part. If you like what you see in the post, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.
You call me Nas, but the hood call me Doobie. And this one is for the champion.